At Novo Precision, our assembly department is built around one simple mission: solve the customer's problem. From startups bringing a new product to life to Fortune 500 manufacturers looking to improve production, Novo delivers turnkey assembly solutions backed by decades of manufacturing expertise. What makes Novo different is our fully integrated manufacturing model. Unlike many contract assemblers, we keep engineering, machining, tooling, cable processing, sourcing, fabrication, and final assembly all under one roof in Bristol, Connecticut. That means better communication, tighter quality control, faster lead times, and more cost-effective solutions for our customers. Our team supports every stage of the product lifecycle, from concept development and engineering support to production launch and final shipment. Whether it's refining a design, sourcing materials, building tooling, or scaling production, Novo provides the expertise and workforce needed to get products to market efficiently and reliably. Engineering is at the heart of everything we do. Our experienced engineers work directly with customers to improve designs, streamline manufacturing processes, eliminate bottlenecks, and enhance overall product quality. Using advanced CAD modeling, custom fixturing, and process development, we create repeatable systems built for long-term success. Novo also brings nearly 40 years of experience in medical cable assembly, processing complex wire, cable, and tubing systems with the precision, consistency, and traceability these critical applications demand. Combined with our ISO 9001:2015 certified quality system and commitment to operational excellence, Novo Precision has become a trusted manufacturing partner for companies seeking quality, reliability, and domestic production solutions. Novo Precision, built to solve problems, engineered to deliver results.